Hello. The weather is looking a little calmer and quieter for the rest of this week. No new named storms, but still some wet and windy weather at times. And of course, we've got the legacy of all those storms. Still some flooding. This is the picture in Shrewsbury in Shropshire. And really through the rest of the day, we're going to be continuing to see flood warnings in force, particularly across England and Wales. There's also been a few for Scotland as well. Now, all down to the fact that we have got another band of rain approaching from the northwest, so some of that rain is going to be falling on areas that really could do without it. Still quite a lot of isobars on the map, so it's going to be another breezy day on Tuesday, but certainly not those disruptive winds that we've seen recently. To start the day, it'll be coldest towards the east. That's where we will have had the clearest skies for longest overnight. But rain already across Northern Ireland and Scotland could be quite heavy through Tuesday morning with some blustery winds. That sweeps across northern England into Wales too. And then it will tend to become quite light and patchy as it reaches the southeast later in the day. It'll be followed by sunshine and showers, some of those showers wintry over the higher ground of Scotland, and gusts of wind around about 40 miles per hour. For some of us, so another fairly cool feeling day across Scotland and Northern Ireland, where you're exposed to the windier conditions too, but reasonably mild still further south and east. Temperatures about 13 degrees, but turning colder behind that cold front as it sweeps eastwards. Now overnight then, we're in that colder air mass and lighter winds and clearer spells too, so that's the recipe for quite a chilly night as we head into the early hours of Wednesday. Could be a touch of frost, particularly across England and Wales. It will cloud over a bit from the north, bringing some rain across northern parts of Scotland as we start the day. So after that fairly cool but mostly dry start towards the south at least, what we will see is this weather front just making inroads into Scotland and Northern Ireland, so trying to push in, bumping into higher pressure further south. So that will bring outbreaks of rain, perhaps a bit of mountain snow to Scotland. Later in the day into Northern Ireland, perhaps a few showers in the far northwest of England later on. But for much of England and Wales, thankfully, we're looking at a drier day on Wednesday. Some sunshine around, temperatures around about 10 or 11 degrees in the south, but to the north of that cold front, only around about 7 degrees there for Stornoway, for instance. And then we're looking at a colder day more widely on Thursday with some blustery showers, another fairly windy feeling day. But thankfully, things looking a little bit warmer, drier and brighter by the time we get to Friday. Bye for now.